Hello everyone. Through this video we are going to discuss question number 17 of exercise 3.2 in the chapter of matrices. So here goes question number 17. So in question number 17, let us check what question is given. If capital A is equal to, this is a matrix given to us, 3 minus 2, then 4 minus 2. This is the matrix. It is of order 2 by 2. It is very clear from the expression only. And I is equal to, I is the identity matrix, 1 0 0 1. So these two are the matrices given. Find K so that capital A square is equal to small letter k into A minus 2i. So this is a scalar term here. Actually this is a term which is scalar. We have to evaluate its value. So here goes the solution part. In this expression, actually for finding out value of k, we have to use this expression. So for using this expression, first of all we need to evaluate what is a square. Given capital A is equal to, this is a matrix given to us, 3 minus 2, then 4 minus 2. So let us calculate what is a square. A square is nothing but a into a. So put the respective values here, 3 minus 2, then 4 minus 2 in place of a. Once again in place of a I'm going to put 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So putting these values, what do we get? Of course we have to find out the product. All of us know how to find out product of two matrices. So here in this case, for finding out the product, for A11 position, we have to find out the product in this way. We have to choose the first row and first column. First row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. While finding out the product, what do I get? 3 into 3, it is 9. Then followed by minus 2 into 4. This is a negative term. Minus 2 into 4, it will be minus 8. So plus minus, actually I had to put plus sign in between, but since this is a negative quantity, so plus minus, it will be ultimately minus. So I shall have to put here minus sign. So it will be 9 minus 8. Now for this position, we have to consider the first row of the first matrix and second row or second column of the second matrix. So 3 into minus 2, the result is minus 6, followed by plus sign. Then after minus 2 into minus 2, it is positive 4. Similarly for this row, the first element, 4 into 3, it is 12, followed by minus 2 into 4, it is minus 8. And then for this position, it will be 4 into minus 2 will be minus 8, then plus minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4. So the result comes like minus 1 for this first position. Then for the second position it is minus 2. Then for the third position, for A21 position, it is 4. For A22 position, it will be minus 4. So this is the result for A square I got here. Then after we have to use the expression what is given to us already. So the expression is, let us proceed here. The expression was actually here. We have there is a mistake here. It should be positive because 9 minus 8, it is 1. So here we have a square is equal to k into a. This is k here. Then minus 2 into I. In the respective places, I am going to put the values now. So let us check what values we got for a square. It is 1, then minus 2, then 4, it is minus 4. After that, k is unknown to us. Value of a was 3, then minus 2, then 4, it is minus 2. Then after minus 2, in place of I we can put 1, 0, 0, 1. Let us check what happens now. It is 1 minus 2, 4, minus 4. So I get here this k, this is the scalar term, it will be getting multiplied with each and every term lying inside this matrix. So 3 into k, it will be 3k. Similarly, it is minus 2k. Then here it is 4k. Then again minus 2k. Minus, I get here 2 into 1, it is 2, 0, 0, 2. So this is the result. After that, coming to the next step, we shall be getting some kind of simplifications we have to make on the right hand side. Left hand side there is only one matrix. On the right hand side there are two matrices. So we have to combine that into single matrix by performing subtraction. So corresponding elements are to be subtracted. 2 should be subtracted from 3k. So 3k minus 2, here in this case minus 2k minus 0 will be minus 2k. Then 4k minus 0 will be only 4k. Then minus 2k minus 2, it will be minus 2k minus 2. So condition of equality of two matrices is applicable here. Applying condition of equality of two matrices. Applying condition of equality of two matrices. What is the condition? The corresponding elements will be equal, then only equality is possible here. So by applying condition of equality of two matrices, what can we write? 1 is equal to 3k minus 2. Yes or no? These corresponding elements will be equal. These two are corresponding. This one and this one will be corresponding. That is why I got the value here. 3k will be kept alone in one side. When 2 is shifted to the opposite side, the result comes as 3. So ultimately on cancellation, we got the value of k as 1. So checking the next term, minus 2 is equal to minus 2k. On both sides minus minus got cancelled. I got here 2k is equal to 2 and the result comes as k is equal to 1. Then in the third step, for the third term, 4k is equal to 4. So the result will be k is equal to 1 on division. And then after, I get here minus 2k minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Put implies here minus 2k is equal to, this 2 will be shifted. So minus 4 plus 2. The result comes as minus 2k is equal to minus 2. On cancellation, we get a result of k as 1. So finally, the answer drawn is k is equal to 1. This is the required result. So in my next video, the next questions will be discussed. Thank you.